In this video, I will create an example for BeanNameAware interface in Spring application. BeanNameAware interface is useful for those beans that want to be aware of their bean name in a bean factory. BeanNameAware interface has a method definition as setBeanName. Spring does not recommend that an object depends on its bean name because of its dependency on external configuration. Set bean name is called after bean initialization but before an init callback such as after property set, post construct or custom init method in XML configuration. Now let us see the example. I have a class book and I have created its bean using XML configuration. And its name is my book. Now in bean factory, if this bean is to be aware by its bean name, then what we have to do is this bean has to implement BeanNameAware and override setBeanName method. Here by this parameter we will get the bean name defined here. This is the bean name and we can get this bean name here inside this method. Though the Spring does not recommend that an object depends on its bean name because of its dependency on external configuration. So it is not recommended by Spring that a bean should dependent on its name. In this way, we learned that how to use BeanName interface, BeanNameAware interface in our application. Let's run it. One thing is important that setBeanName is called after bean initialization. Means bean is created by constructor, so bean is initialized and all the properties are set. Only after that setBeanName will be called. But before after property set method or a method that is annotated with post construct or a custom method that has been specified in init method. All these are initialization method. So setBeanName is called before initialization method. If we have created a method, if we if we are using initialization bean, then we have to override its after property set. Then after property set will be called after setBeanName. If the bean has a method annotated with post construct, then that method will be called after setBeanName. In the same way, if we have a custom method name and it has been specified using init method in XML configuration, that method will also be called after setBeanName. All these are serving the same purpose. After properties set, post construct and init method, all these are serving the same purpose, just to create a initialization method. Overall, what do I want to say is that setBeanName is called before initialization method, but after constructor or the bean has been initialized only when setBeanName is called. We can see here I have a constructor and using this constructor bean is being initialized. Look here, I'm using constructor argument. So the bean is being initialized by this dependency, that it has a parameter book name. So bean is being initialized by this constructor, and then this will be called. Okay, thank you.